Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Bulan Husnu. I'm from Skill 4. I will answer the midterm test question. Question number 1. First, increase your self-confidence. 2. Make you more comfortable around other people. 3. One of the best way to generate sales. 4. At the same point in your life, you will need to do it. And the last, it will allow you to make a difference in your life, business, community, and career. Question number 2. Step 1. Analyze your audience before present the presentation. We should first look at the audience interest. Step 2. Select topic. It is advisable to find a cool topic so that they listen well. And 3. Define the object of the presentation. Determine the right goal for our satisfaction as presenter. Question number 3. Bullying. My stomach hurts and I have headaches every day. The boys are spreading rumors and telling secrets, and it just doesn't feel right to me. Is there something wrong with me, or I'm really what they say am? Could I be victim of bullying? As you may have noticed, my speech is about bullying. So let's get started. A very good afternoon to my respect lecturer and my charming beautiful friend. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Bulan Husnu from Skill 4. Okay, so have you ever been bullied? Has it happened to you first, or have you just seen or heard about TV? No matter. Many people have different opinion on what bullying is. All of that is correct, as they different way you can be bullied. However, the real definite follow by anything that a person does on purpose to upset or hurt another person. To be honest, bullying itself like a disease because you don't make it happen and it does not just go away overnight. Bullying even makes you feel like you are sick or something is wrong with you. However, it's true all. It is your fault if you get bullied. Did you know that 100,000 children get bullied every day in Canada out of 5 to million students? That means that one of 5 students get bullied every day. And the people say that Canadians are too nice to be bullied. Many people are unaware of the bullying that happen around them. That just show how petty. Bullying is just a stage, a normal part of life. However, fact is, bullying is not a normal or socially acceptable behavior. We give bullied power or acceptance of this behavior. Statistics show that there are 6 different types of bullying: physical, verbal, indirect, social, alienation, intimidation, and last but not least, cyberbullying. Verbal bullying is the most common because it is easy noticed as physical is. Talk about how horrible this is. Think if you were the target person that got bullied. Bullies bully because it makes them feel better anyone else. Also, they do it because they have been bullied at some point in life and feel like they need revenge. Some people that have been bullied all their life decided to live their old life because they don't appreciate it and commit suicide. Suicide that just so out of the hand. This can get bullying is that serious. You may think now, how can you stop bullying when you barely see it happening? It means, how are you supposed to put an to it when it goes on? The best way for you to make a start is to talk to friends and have discussion in your class and make a set rules to put and to it. Then present the idea to your whole school. The next step is create an anti-bullying team. So can I bullying at your school? Bullying is so bad that it can up with dying and killing others, which show exactly how serious and bad this is. Remember everything I have told you today, and you will not be bullied or not afraid to stand up yourself. Just be strong, keep your head up high, and you best stop bullying once for all. Remember, blowing out someone candle does make your shine any brighter. Thank you. Question number 4. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. First, I want to thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because we can get and healthy without any obstacle. So I want to talk about Indonesian agrarian emergency. I want to talk about this because we really have s- seriously problem if we just let it. There are many impacts that can do the smaller agricultural land and field of farmer. Moreover, the impact on the welfare of farmer is being treated even though their livelihood to fulfill their family needs. Agraria comes from the Greek acre, which means land or a piece of land. Agrarius mean rice field, cultivation, agriculture. The the politic of national agrarian policies are increasingly hostile to peasants because land and other agrarian assets have been converted into objects of investment and business by the ruling government. It is recorded that the average land ownership of the farmer in rural areas is less than 5 and has no land. The lack of land has many serious consequences, especially in terms of human food, where food is the main things for the survival of very human being. It can be said that Indonesia is very rich in natural resources. In each region, there is our privilege because its natural result. Called in Papua, there is gold mine. Jogja has vast rice field. In Rembang, they are large and good salt fields. So we have to fight who destroy this ecosystem because the impact is very detrimental to use as consumers too. Not only farmer who have an impact, even though farmer are the first to be affected because of this case. The effect of land construction. 1. The effect lands narrowing due to land develop and land acquisition, namely the narrowing of the farmer production space to process food crop for customer needs. 2. The effect is again on the quality of food produced by farmer because usually farmer do maintain freely. 3. Effect on farmer income which decreasing day by day due to the high price of production without income for farmer. 4. There is a lot pollution, for example in a Kendang. Clean water is minimal because water is mixed with cement factory waste. In 5. Air is polluted due to occupying factory usually in coastal and inland parts. Solution the problem, we must have to correct to publish and always have investor who enter we will destroy our land. 2. Create the legal entity to resolve conflict in the agrarian emergency area. 3. Invite many people to join solidarity to resolve conflict and protect conflict area. 4. Educate the local people to better understand and love their homeland. 5. Begin to clear up the power of attorney for the land that is owned to be strong in defending the land we have. 6. Dialogue with the local council for the welfare of the surrounding community. Conclusion. Let's stand in solidarity with the farmer on the lost agricultural land. Thank you and sorry I'm speak is very bad and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.